Good morning! So, it's office day today pero hindi ako nagdala ng car kasi, well, ang mahal ng gas. So, 120 na siya. So, come spend a day with me as your community girly. As I commute to work. Tara, let's go! This is a must kapag nagko-commute kasi pawisin. One down. So parang makaapat na tayong different types of transportation today. So one down the tricycle. Next naman mag-jeep tayo papunta ng Baclaran. Let's go! Second mode of transportation done. Nagbantay, hindi tayo nakapag-jeep kasi wala. Naka-strike ata sila ngayon and I support their strike. So now mag-MRT na tayo going to Juan Ayala. Last stop is the BGC bus paikot sa GC. Para mapunta tayo sa office. So, ito siya. And beep card in here, so okay. And now we will walk to the office. Office na ako and na-stress lang talaga ako sa computer. Pero let's go.
Nahuli ko sa video.
May sinasabi siya, oh. Nag-cutting daw siya sa office. Hindi daw siya pumapasok. 5:54.
I don't think magkakilala tayo.
Hindi, ito po. Ano po yan ng iFace, Rebecca.
Sino
We are
ba?
lead. Kami kakain here sa market dahil kami napagod. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Hey.
Binaba ko yung
Okay. So ako na. And yet again, we're playing another game sa office.
Sana pala yung
Time check, it's around 11 p.m. na and I will not commute home na. I booked ang CAS move it hanggang bahay. It's already around 300. So I won't commute na. I'll just ride the Angkas home. Let's go.